Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 lag. If you want to fix it, all you have to do first click here, go to view advanced system settings, and then performance, click settings, adjust for best performance, apply and OK, and after that go to GeForce Experience. You will find it like that. Go to settings, scroll down, image scaling, make sure it's on, turn it on, and then right click on your desktop, NVIDIA control panel, and now click use my preference, move it to performance, click apply, and then your problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.